Hey there! In this video, I will show you how to use Missinglettr for promoting your content. So I have been using Missinglettr for some time, and I wanted to quickly show you how to use its basic functionality. So this is my Missinglettr dashboard. I have been signed up recently for my personal account. I have been using it for the company I work at. So let me quickly show you how I use it, and maybe you can benefit from it as well. So there are uh, different things you can do with Missinglettr. First one is you can go to your dashboard and see your numbers. And um, what I mostly use are the campaigns, which are you know content, social content shared from your posts, articles, or any page. For example, let me show you an example. Let's say I am sharing this GarageBand alternatives for Windows users. So I have a blog post about it, and what it does is it schedules content out of my blog post by getting some text out of it, and also adding images like these quotes, bubbles, different kinds of content, and you can schedule it to your social media at once. So they have LinkedIn, Twitter, Mastodon, Facebook, Instagram, and so on. So currently I have LinkedIn, Twitter, and Mastodon. There was a problem with Facebook integration. I guess it's on the Facebook site. I don't know. So as you can see, I have 9 scheduled posts. Let me show you, for example, how to create a campaign. So when you enter your RSS feed in the settings, so as you can see, it automatically gathers all the blog posts and creates a draft campaign. For example, let's take a look at this. This is one of the recent blog posts, best 26 movies for entrepreneurs. When I click Setup Campaign, it will show me the default hashtags, media, and codes it selected. So most of the time, I just delete these because there are too many. So I just look at them if there is any good looking one. If not, I just click delete all, and maybe I add movies for entrepreneurs, something like that. Yeah, you don't have to add hashtags as well. Media, I just look at the media, for example, if there are duplicates, irrelevant ones, like this one, this is a related post image. So yeah, these are from movies. Yeah, there is my image here. It's irrelevant as well. So yeah, as you can see, there are lots of images in this post. Then this is the most important one. I select my quotes because sometimes the quotes it gets are not the perfect. So you might need to make some tweaks, or unselect some of the default selected quotes. For example, let me go over them. Additionally, the movie explores growth taking. For example, which movie? So yeah, this doesn't make sense. So yeah, in conclusion, yeah, that doesn't make sense. So for example, sometimes, yeah, to be honest, it doesn't work very good. You need to take your own quotes sometimes. So for example, The Usual Suspects is one of the favorite business and thriller movies. Okay, yeah, this works. The movie, which movie? One of the best entrepreneurs gives to business own. Okay, yeah, this works. You know, I am skipping them. So let me, yeah, take care of them. Okay, so I selected a couple of ones. So as you can see, I have one, two, three, four. So for example, when I click build campaign, I selected a 6 month evergreen, which means it will share my post throughout 6 months, but not too heavily. For example, if I say 2 month blast, it means there will be too many posts, too frequent posts. Since I have lots of blog posts, yeah, I'm choosing either these evergreen ones or these light ones. If there's of course, a campaign, timely campaign, yeah, you can use 2 week blast, and you can choose your own campaign schedules as well. It's also possible with Missinglettr. So yeah, let me click build campaign. So it says, yeah, I need at least 4 more quotes. So here, most of the time, if these selected quotes are not good, what I do is I just go to my blog post and I use a Chrome extension. It also has extensions for all kinds of browsers named Harpa AI. So let me show you. So this is the interface of Harpa AI. Let me also show its website. So yeah, it works pretty nicely for free version. I'm using its paid version for some extra features. So you can use your own ChatGPT or other AI LLM accounts, and it just uses them to interact with any page. So for example, let me get back to this. So I will create a new chat with GPT-4. So I select the page, write me 10 tweets about this blog post. Don't write any hashtags and don't give a link to the article, because Missinglettr take care of this. It automatically adds the hashtag and automatically adds the article. So I will just look at them. All right. Yeah, I think these are much better than what Missinglettr suggests. So yeah, to be honest, this is what Missinglettr lacks. I hope they will use some AI to get those quotes, because it just grabs random sentences. Yeah, it doesn't work. For example, yeah, this looks nice. So I am copying this and adding it to my campaign. So you can add anyone, or yeah, what I do is, for example, yeah, this I just delete and add a new one. So I will need 3 more. Let's check from the test. Yeah, this looks nice. All right, I'm adding this one. All right, I need 2 more. Okay. Yeah, this looks nice as well. All right, I need 1 more. Yeah, Big Short. Yeah, it's a classic movie. Okay, so then I will just click build campaign. So it shows me the posts, and it makes me I need to review all of them. I think that's both good and sometimes hard, because you need to manually review all of them. You cannot just one click automate everything. It's good for preventing spam. So yeah, I totally understand that. So yeah, currently I'm seeing my quote, link, hashtag, and also the way it looks. For example, it currently previews my featured image with the link, the classic link post. Let me go to the other one. Okay, this is similar. All right. So for example, so it talks about the founder, but the image is different. So yeah, I need to update it. I just click these 3 dots and yeah, just choose another image. So what I do is I just click next, next. Yeah, instead of doing that, I think being able to choose the image itself, yeah, that would be much helpful, because yeah, when okay, this does the same thing, but yeah, I cannot select from the lots of images. So I'm trying to find the founder image. Right. Maybe it's not here. I'm not sure. Right. I guess it's not here. Okay. Yeah. I don't have an image for that. So what I can do is I can upload a new image, or what I do is, for example, I just convert it to, yeah, I can just convert it to a bubble, and I have a template, a background image, and my name image, and then this. Yeah, let's do that. Yeah, we had the Big Short, if I remember correctly. Let's go. Ah, the founder is here. Yeah, yeah. Sometimes this kind of things happens. I don't know why. Yeah, let me go find it. Yeah, there are too many movies. Yeah, as you can see, this takes so much time as well. But if you don't have too many images, yeah, it's pretty easy. All right, it's here. So yeah, let's find the Big Short. Come on. Yeah, by the way, all of them are great movies. Yes, The Big Short is here. Usual Suspects. Yeah, let's find it. Yes. Next. So, okay. So, yeah, we need to find the one with the Steve Jobs. Oops. Yeah, let's find it. Yes, here it is. Next, startup. Yeah, it's the Godfather. Yeah, Godfather actually an interesting one in this list because yeah, it's for entrepreneurship. It might look off, they are doing all illegal things, but at the same time, it shows how to build an empire. Yeah, regardless of the context of being a mafia, Yeah, other than that, yeah, yeah, it's a great trilogy. Okay, startup.com. Yeah, it just added the default. All right, so I reviewed all of them. So if you have a Medium account, you can also republish the Medium by clicking this. I already have an automation for that, so I'm skipping. So yeah, there's also this update reminder. So yeah, this is also you can also use it. So yeah, let's click that one to remind me. So yeah, I confirm it's my content. All right. Then what I do is I just click launch campaign. So while it's doing that, I will show you the other favorite uh, other favorite feature of Missinglettr, which is curate. So if you have the right plan, you have access to the curate and you can promote your content. So this is for from sharing other people's content. So I'm not using it for that, but I'm using it for promoting my content. So what I do is I add my content here, and if it's picked for other publishers by other publishers. So for example, so far I added 9 posts to curate, and as you can see, almost 300 social posts are queued, and there are already 14 shares and 3 clicks happened. So what I do is I just click plus and content from my previous campaign. The campaign I just created. So this is my way of promoting content. All right. Then what I do is I just select a post here, since I already went over them. So yeah, let's check. All right. All right. Yeah, let's check which ones. Yeah, I think you can just do this. And you can, all right, you can also edit it from here. For example, let me get back to my suggestions. Maybe I can select a different one because this is a single one. For example, let's give it a shot for this one. All right. So yeah, it's a bit short. So it's, for example, let's check. What I will do is, all right. So this is how I will make it. Then what I do is I click publish, and then yeah, yeah, it's always asks this kind of stuff. I don't know. In the AI age, I think asking, did you write this? Those kind of things. Yeah, it's not 100% relevant. So yeah, currently it's on learning mode. Then it will suggest it. By the way, you can also select some tags. For example, these are not related to my default tags topics. So yeah, let's check movies, right? And also I can select entrepreneurship. All right, yeah, these two make sense. All right, yeah, this is it. Publish. Yes. So yeah, currently it's relearning it, and yeah, it will suggest to other people. And yeah, I think this is one of the best ones as well because you are getting benefit from the other people's social media. And there is also this create feature. So yeah, let me show you how it works. For example, you can write social posts for uh, all the available platforms, or you can write some even blog posts, or create images, or just write an open prompt, like you are chatting with ChatGPT. Yeah, I have tried it for a couple of times. Yeah, it was working nicely. But yeah, to be honest, these two are the campaigns and curate are the real meat of the missing letter. There's also this analytics. For analytics is enabled for specific plans, not for all plans. So yeah, it shows how my posts or my curate posts are doing. Here it is. So yeah, it has some detailed analytics because if you are using Missinglettr's URL shortener, yeah, it can get the clicks by social profile. So for example, it shows me Twitter, Mastodon, their engagement rates, as you can see, and also top trip campaigns. For example, it looks like this is working the best, this post, so maybe I can promote it more. And yeah, the countries, best time of the day, yeah, it goes like this. So yeah, this is how you can benefit from missing letter. They also have some campaigns for some discount campaigns. You can see it on my Missinglettr review article. I will share it on the description so you can see different. Oh yeah, this got broken. I don't know why. So yeah, I will take care of that, and you will be able to see the these offers available here. Yeah, I will fix it, and then you will be able to see the offers here in this article. So yeah, thank you very much for listening.